we're going to do an elastic collision here with cart A and cart C. So now we have carts of two different masses. So we're going to have cart A moving with initial velocity, being read by this photo gate. Cart C will be at rest, and it will go through this photo gate and give us its final velocity. So according to conservation of momentum, since cart C is at rest initially, it'll have no momentum. So basically the initial momentum of cart A, which we'll get once we find out its initial velocity going through the photo gate, should equal their the sum of their momentums after they collide. Okay, so they'll hit. This one will go through here. Cart A will bounce back, and we'll have to get two readings. Okay. So we took our times from the photo gates, and we were able to calculate the velocities of cart A initially through its photo gate. So we use 0.1 meters because the cards that the photo gates are reading are 10 centimeters long. So it went 0.1 meters in 0.211 seconds. So we got 0.47 meters per second. Right after A bounced back through photo gate again, we got the time of that and calculated its new speed, which is obviously negative, coming back the other way. And then through the second photo gate, we got cart C's speed. Add them together, and basically we get initial momentum of cart A was 0.11. Their combined final momentum was 0.12. So pretty close. We can account for the error with maybe not exactly precise masses and everything not being perfectly frictionless.